Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, and today I'm going to present to you some Parmesan cheese bite. If that's something you're interested in, stick around. After the intro, we get right into this video.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So, Parmesan cheese bites. This is a spin-off off of my pizza dough, right? And I told you, do not take that pizza dough for granted. However, that's what we're going to be using today to make these beautiful Parmesan cheese bites. Yo, deep fried garlic. Let me not ruin it for you. Let's get right into these ingredients, right? And the first thing I have here is my pizza dough that was left over. And we're just going to deflate this right now. We're going to hit that with some oil on our board. And I like to use oil on my board because this board is smooth, and when I use the oil, I work the dough better than if I should use a flour. You can use a flour if you choose to, right? So we're going to shape that dough into a nice little ball. Going to hit that now. Put a little bit of flour on our clean surface. Make sure your surface is clean, right? Little bit of flour on the dough, like so. If you want to learn how to make that pizza dough, that's my go-to pizza dough that I use for majority of my recipes. Check that link right where the link there. Right there. Check out that link, right? So I'm using a ceramic rolling pin, so I don't need to flour this, you know, because it's nice and smooth. We're just gonna go in now and we're just gonna roll that dough right out. And my goal here is not to really get the dough in a round shape. I want to get this dough into a nice rectangular shape, because that way it will make the perfect bites that I'm looking for. Just a little bit of flour. So while we're doing this, we should ensure that our oil is preheated to at least 350 degrees Fahrenheit, because we're going to be deep frying these like little donuts, but they're cheese puffs. You know what I say? Yeah man, Parmesan cheese. See that thickness right there? Not bad, not bad. Just going to roll it out a little bit more. Get more for my buck. And as I said, this doesn't have to be perfect. Just try to get it into that rectangular shape as much as possible, because we want to get little squares. So I'm going to get my ceramic stone, get a little bit of flour, and I'm going to dust that. You can get whatever surface you have. I just like using this thing. We're going to use a pizza wheel, and we're going to divide this dough now. I'm going to try hit this into a half first. And we need a pizza wheel because we want nice clean cuts. And then this side, we're going to hit that side into half again. Over here, same thing, same gesture. And then now we're going to hit that halfway down. And then we're going to hit this into half again. Boom. This into half. Boom, see? Some of them are going to be small. And that's basically it. Grab that ceramic stone that we have, and we're going to place these on here. You know, yeah. And that's why we have the flour on here, so they don't stick. And these are already floured as well, so they're easy to move around. And you don't have to worry about much of making an indentation on it, because once these are cooked, you know, then they will just regain their form. So don't worry about the shapes of them. Alright, so there. So before we go ahead and fry, they can sit there, because if they proof, that's no big deal. So the next thing you want to use, we're going to use here some garlic butter. Look how beautiful that looks. I also have a video out on how you can make your garlic butter. And those garlic, yo, I'm not even going to spoil it for you. So just know that's very flavorful, right? And we're just going to garnish with a little bit of parsley, of course, and our Parmesan cheese, right? So boom now. And of course, you're going to be needing a bowl, because we're going to use a bowl to toss everything in, and possibly a pastry brush. Our oil is nice and up to temp. So we have everything set up. We have our butter set up, we have our cheese ready to go, and our garnish, right? We want to drop the basket in the oil, so that way nothing doesn't stick to the basket, right? Oil is up to temp. We're going to go in one at a time with these little nuggets. And trust me, they fry so fast. Give and take about 2 minutes or until golden brown. These are like little donuts, you know. Once they're ready, they'll be nice golden brown. All right, let's see what's happening here. Ooh, smell that? All right, we're just gonna flip them over. It's deep oil, but because I didn't want to fry this in batches of 2, we're just gonna flip these over now. Nice. These are at the color that I want them. Pull them right up. I'm gonna go in it about a tablespoon of our garlic butter in that right now. Get a little bit more garlic butter. Boom. Parsley. Yes. Cheese. Cheese. Somebody said cheese. Somebody said cheese. Woo. All right. That's good. We don't want to salt this. And then we're just gonna toss this real quick. So you need to do this when everything is hot, so you can melt that butter and coat these beautifully. Give me a little extra butter over them. Don't be shy with the garlic butter, you know. We don't eat these things every day, but when we do, we do. You see, Jamir, you ready? You ready? Yeah. Come in, my boss. Find my means of plating. Going with them on here. Boom, bang, bang. Hold on, Jamir.
I cook.
Cooking done, my boss. Cooking done long time. Gonna put a little bit of parsley on here. And then boom. Some tomato sauce. So, there you have it, how to make your Parmesan cheese bites here on Morris Time Cooking It. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. You see me? Leave in the comment what next you'd like to see. Quick little appetizer for you and yours. When you try it out, ensure to just tag me on Instagram at hot_chef. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on them. Look at that sauce. Got little nibbles of garlic. Oh my. Roasted garlic. Mouth of salivate, bro. I run water.
It's really good.